हेलो बच्चों, कैसे हैं आप लोग? उम्मीद करती हूँ आप सब सही होंगे. So today I have got something special for all you 10th graders, a comprehensive guide to the best books for your science preparation. So before I dive into the recommendation, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any valuable exam tips and study resources. So let's get started. तो बच्चों, the first and the most important book that should be in your bookshelf is your science NCERT. Okay, so believe me, this is the most and the most important book जो कि आप सभी को बहुत अच्छे तरीके से याद करनी है. मान लीजिए ये गीता है जिसका एक एक शब्द आपको बहुत ही अच्छे तरीके से याद होना चाहिए. Now the next come the another important book is your Exemplar, Science Exemplar. It is an excellent resource for challenging problems and in-depth understanding of concepts aligned with the CBSE syllabus. So after your NCERT book, you have to practice this exemplar problem. Other than these two books, the next in the queue is Science for 10th Class Part 1, Part 2 and Part 3 by Lakshmi Singh and Manjeet Kaur. It is a series that covers the entire CBSE syllabus in a clear and concise manner with ample practice questions for the self-assessment. Now there are few more books which I will recommend you. इनमें से आप कोई भी एक book ले सकते हैं. One is Together with Science. It is a well-structured guide that includes chapter-wise summary, important question and ample paper to help students master in CBSE science curriculum. Now, All-in-One Science is also one of a very good book by Arihant experts. It is a comprehensive guide with focus on exam-oriented content. It includes chapter-wise revision notes, practice questions and solved papers also. Exam Idea Science Class 10th by VK Global Publication is also a very good book that offers a holistic approach to the learning with solved and unsolved questions, sample papers and conceptual clarity. So after this you have to purchase CBSE solved papers. Either you can purchase it as chapter wise, topic wise, or you can purchase 10 years by year wise. So it is a collection of solved papers that allow students to practice and understand the exam pattern, and it ensures better preparation for the board exams. So here you can see CBSE chapter wise, topic wise solved paper of MTG. Another book that offers chapter wise last year solved paper by Oswal Gurukul. Disha Publications also has one very good book of this previous year solved papers. It offers chapter wise, topic wise as well as year wise also. So you can purchase any one of these previous year paper, but it is a must that you have to purchase. So after all this, what you have to do for 100% success in your exam, you have to purchase a set of sample question papers with detailed solutions designed to help students assess their preparation and boost confidence before the exams. So I mainly prefer Oswal book. It is a very, very good book. It has flow chart before the sample paper. It also includes board sample solved papers and the handwritten paper of the subject topper. Either you can purchase Oswal sample papers or you can purchase EduCard sample papers. Both are very good. So there you have it. These were my top picks for the best science books to help you conquer your 10th grade board exams. Remember, thorough preparation and the right study material are the keys to success. So if you have found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more exam tips and study resources. Wishing you all the best in your preparations. You have got this. Until next time, happy studying.